Let's look at this problem of homework 2. 350 pounds. This is a 350 pound load. Is supported by the rope and pulley. So you can see that there's a pulley here. There's a rope. And there's a pulley. And there's another pulley. Rope and pulley arrangement shown. Knowing that beta is 25. So this angle, beta is 25. Determine the magnitude and directions of the force P. So he wants to know the force B. What will be the force B? Determine the force B, which should be exerted on the free end of the rope to maintain equilibrium. He wants to maintain equilibrium for this not to fall and for this to stay suspended like that. So he wants to find P. Now, we have to take and analyze it like this. Put this pulley, and there is a force like this, tension like this, tension like that, and then there is another P like this with an angle alpha, and then the load is down. So you have to take this point and this pulley like that, two forces. And if you know that the angle is beta that way, so you're going to have the angle beta that way too, here, the same. Beta is here. So with the y-axis, the angle beta would be here, which is the same thing. These two lines will have the same angle. So let's put this into a free body diagram and look at it. Okay. So it's like this is the pulley, the force, the angle 25, which is the angle from the other side, angle alpha, B 350. Now, here you will do the simple summation of forces. Let's do summation of force at x equal to 0, since for this pulley A, you can see that there is two B's. So we can see that we could add these two B. 2B in the x-axis. 2B sine 25. This is cosine 25 is y, but sine 25 is x. 2B sine 25. And you can see that this P is going the other side, minus B cosine alpha. Minus B cosine alpha is in the negative x. So minus B cosine alpha equal to 0. We could see that this B and B will cancel out because it's equal to 0. You'll end up with 2 sine 25 minus cosine alpha. And from this, you could find cosine alpha easy, which means that cosine alpha is equal to 2 sine 25. You could go ahead and do the 2 sine 25. It will give you 0.8452. That's cosine alpha. So alpha is equal to cosine inverse of this. You will get alpha is equal to plus or minus 32.3. So you'll have two angles here, plus 32.3 and minus 32.3. So let's do summation of force of y for the first angle, plus 32.3. So the y, you can see that we have two b's, 2b cosine 25, 2b cosine 25. And b sine alpha, b cosine alpha. Okay, 2b cosine 25 plus b sine alpha. Which alpha you're going to take? The plus 32.3. This is, if you take it in the y, 2b cosine 25 and b sine alpha, remember the weight is down in the y-axis, minus 350 equal to 0. So you can see here, everything is known except the p. So we're going to find the P 149.1 pound. And this is the angle. It's a positive angle from the x-axis. It's up. You can see that's positive angle, 32.3. For the other alpha minus 32.3 degrees, you could do the same summation of force at the y equal to 0. You have 2b cosine 25, b sine alpha minus 350. We do the same thing. So sine here, sine the minus 32.3. Minus 350, you will end up with a P of 274 pounds with an angle. Look at the angle from the x-axis going down, 32.3 negative. So we'll have two values of P. One, 149.1 for an angle, positive angle going up with the x-axis, positive x-axis. And the P is 274 pounds with an angle negative. Thank you.